Hey Janelle, Oceana here. We spoke on the phone earlier today. I wanted to hurry up and get this video to you so you have as much of a chance, window to watch it before I call you on Thursday to see what you thought of it. So I'll be following up on Thursday to see if this was clear, if it was helpful, and to answer any questions that you have. So let's just jump right in. So let's see. So you have beautiful images. First thing I notice, very eye-catching. Right here, I love that. Just beautiful. Very good examples of what you're doing. I do notice that this kind of gets in the way. You might know that the website needs help. Um, Also, this right here should be a click to call, and it should be quite a bit bigger, the phone number there. The reason for that is that 70%, almost 70% of searches happen on mobile phones. And of course, as a phone user, I'm sure you know if there was a click to call button right here, it'd be a lot more likely that you guys get calls. And then also, I noticed right up here it says not secure. This tells me that your sorry, my phone's going like crazy right now. This tells me that your SSL certificate has expired or is simply not enabled. It also means that some web browsers will refuse to show your website at all. So it can actually be really hurting your visibility not having it. And it's like some simple little fix. So you're going to want to log into your hosting account and get that fixed right away. I wish that my phone would be quiet. Here, let me put it on silent. Shush. Okay, the second thing that I'm going to talk about is content. So everything that you see highlighted here in blue, that is content. It's the words on the page basically. And let's see, I can see that you have 310 words on your homepage. You are definitely going to want to increase that. So Google really starts paying attention to a website and seeing it as an authority when the site has 1,500 to 2,000 words on it. So we want to increase the amount of words here and include certain phrases that a lot of people are searching for on Google that have low competition. So it'll be easy to show up on top in Google results. So how we find those keywords, you may be wondering, I will show you. So I'm going to go over here. This is a keyword research tool. There are many out there. This one is my favorite, though it is a little spendy. Using this, I can type in a word that I'd like to focus on up here, and it spits out a bunch of key phrases that include those words. I pay the most attention to these two columns right here. So here it shows me the average, how many people are typing in these exact phrases into Google each month on average. And then right here, it tells me on a scale from zero, from 0 to 100, how difficult it would be to show up on the first page of Google for that key phrase. 0 meaning not difficult at all, and 100 being totally impossible. We're looking for the low-hanging fruit. So the 5s and belows are really our golden spot, right? That means it's going to be the quickest to get to the top of Google for those. So like right here, let's see, this one right here, this is our golden boy, Concrete, Portland, Oregon. That's the one we like to focus on. So 150 people on average are typing Concrete, Portland, Oregon into Google every single month. So 150. And statistics show that 31% of those searches will go to the first non-advertisement result in the organic results. So being in the first position for this keyword statistically will result in, and sorry, I'm not good at mental math, so I'm just going to type it in right here, 46 people visiting the website every single month on average. And then out of those 46 visitors every month, 1 in 10 of them statistically will turn into paying customers. So that's between 4 and 5 new customers, jobs every single month, just from being in the number one in that one single keyword. And I know that you guys are actually showing up in the 3rd position for this keyword. So a little, pour a little gas on the fire, and you're going to be raking in the jobs. Okay, so all right, so how do we rank? How do we throw gas on the fire, right? Well, that brings me to backlinks. But first, I want to show you something else. So Here I've got the results. If someone in Portland types concrete Portland, Oregon, like 150 people do on average. So here the ads are at the top. Most people scroll right past that. The next visible section is the map pack. This is one place that you definitely want to show up in this spot right here. And then this is the most coveted spot of all. This is the #1 organic spot. It's the first thing after the map pack that shows up. Right now it's a Yelp page, but they're not that hard to beat out. And you see you guys are sitting here at the 3rd spot. So you are getting some, I'd say you're probably getting around 10 to 15 visitors a month from this, but that's really only gonna be resulting in about 1 job a month. So maybe 2. Statistically anyway, of course. But jumping up to here would be probably an extra 3 or 4 jobs every month just from that one keyword. Mind you, there's a lot of keywords. We probably work with about 10 to 15 keywords, maybe even more. Let me find my place really fast. So yes, this is the spot that's getting 31% of the visitors right here. So that's definitely the one that you want to show up for. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about backlinks. So I'll go down here. We're going to go over here. So a backlink is any link on the internet that points back to your website. So it acts as a vote of confidence, telling Google that your business is both legitimate and relevant, but not all backlinks are created equal. Links from sites that are trusted by Google, as well as sites that are related to your industry, are going to do more good than irrelevant or spammy sites. If there are two parts, and there are two parts of a link: the address that the link is pointing to and what the actual link looks like, which is called the anchor text. So if it says click here, the words click here are the anchor text, and the actual address itself is, well, the address. I said that in a really dumb way, but you get it. Okay, so here you have, these are the backlinks that you have. We want to find other websites that are related to the industry that you're in and that have authority. So like this one right here, well, this one's a really good one. It's got a very good trust score, and it makes sense that you're on there. It's the concrete contractors list, so of course that makes sense. And then let's see, findopen.com. This one's pretty good. I'm trying to see if there are any that are a good example of something that you don't really want. I feel like probably Keyword Basket, probably not helping you a whole lot. I don't know for a fact though, so I'd have to do more research. But if they're irrelevant or if they're spammy sites, you want to get rid of those backlinks because they're actually hurting your visibility. And then you want to go out and you want to get backlinks from relevant websites. And how you go about that is just simply calling them or emailing them and saying, hey, we'd like to be, what is the word I'm looking for? Shown on your site. We'd like a backlink. You just tell them what's up. I find honesty is the best way to go about these things. Okay, so then citations. The last thing that I want to show you is citations. So a citation is similar to a backlink in that it is a reference to your business from anywhere on the internet, and it acts as a vote of confidence. But instead of being a link from another website back to yours that pushes you up the organic results, it is a citation is any time that your business's name, address, and phone number are listed exactly the way that they appear on your Google My Business listing. And it pushes you up to the top of the map pack. So that spot right here, this is the second most coveted spot on the Google results page. And a lot of traffic goes to that one as well. Not quite as many as this one, which is strange because it's above, right? But a lot of people just scroll past the map. But for those that do not, they choose this one. So I'm going to tell you how to get to the top of that spot right there. So let me introduce you to your Google My Business listing. This is you guys right here, I hope. If I did everything right, it is. Rose City Concrete and Construction, you've got your name here. You want to make sure that the information here is perfectly accurate. Specifically, you want to make sure that the name of the business, the address, and the phone number are the same as you would have them listed all over the internet. So if there is a misspelling or if the phone number isn't the one you usually use, then all of those citations, all the times that you're mentioned across the internet, is actually not going to count toward your citation goal, and it's not going to help you get pushed up to the top. And you guys are so close to the top of organic, and if you got the organic and that map pack, oh my gosh, your business would skyrocket. I'm not even joking. I'm not trying to I'm not trying to oversell it here, but it really is. You're so close. If you know that this information is correct, then you go to online directories like Yelp, Yext, City Star, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Actually, even Facebook has a place where you can add your information as a citation. So the possibilities are great. There are many of them. Okay, so that is that. That sums it up, actually. So I hope that this information was helpful. I look forward to your feedback, letting me know how I did on this video, if it was helpful, if I spoke clearly enough. I really am trying to help local businesses as well as just improve these videos overall. You are welcome to email me here at oceana@g3.agency. You can call me 657-332-1960. You can reply to the email I sent you this video in. And I would love to just touch base. I'm going to be calling you on Thursday anyway. I've got it on my calendar. So yeah, just mull this over. And if you'd like to talk before then, I'm absolutely happy to hear from you as well. Okay, bye.